action. Our teapot step-ups. Using our Cinderblock, Luke's going to grab this weight. We want to begin. Our base leg is the same as our weight hand. Luke's going to bend towards the weight. Nice flexion there, and then he's going to extend that side body, reaching as far past his midline with the opposite hand as he can. Return to neutral to begin. Reaching. Getting as far as he can, maintaining good neutral tall position. No twisting and bending in that torso. Try to keep a straight line from your heel all the way through the top of your head. So begin base leg with the same weight, but throughout quarantine, we want to throw a challenge at you, meaning opposite weight with your base leg. Notice Luke's right leg is down, but his left hand is holding the weight. We're losing all sorts of posture, position, all the good stuff, but we want you to practice this and get really freaking good at this. So begin, same weight, same leg, and progress and advance to opposite weight, opposite leg. Ready? Break.
Cut!